Hi guys, welcome back to Dishing a Becky. Today I'm making mashed bananas. Guys, join me. Let me show you this recipe which is really nice and healthy. Let's start cooking. On my first step, I'm gonna start by boiling this soft maize. As you can see, I'll cover it and leave it to cook. Meanwhile, I'm gonna be preparing these green bananas. I'm gonna be peeling them, and as we wait for the soft maize to cook. So welcome everyone. This is Dishina Becky. I do cooking vlogs. So this is how I peel my bananas. I have two ways that I peel. You can see this way, and the next one, guys, you'll see as we go on. So welcome to Dishina Becky. I do cooking vlogs. So guys, make sure you subscribe for cooking vlogs. Um, be sure to like this video and leave a comment at the end of the video. Let me know what you think about this meal and other recipes that you're gonna be watching. Make sure you watch my videos, guys. So this is the second way that I peel my green bananas, as you can see. So let's cook this meal. It's a new recipe. I am very sure you guys don't know it. It's new in town. So guys, welcome, watch, and make sure you use it and come back and let me know what you think about it. So we'll finish this banana and then we go to the next step. So this is how generally this is how we peel the banana. I like this way, the last way. I find it fast for me. So this is the bananas. Let's wash them. I've finished peeling. Let's wash them, and I added potatoes. I like adding potatoes to my mashed bananas because they make them look good and improve the taste. So after that, we're gonna put them in the jiko, then leave them to boil. Here we go, guys. We're going very fast. Our bananas are cooked, as you can see. We're gonna sieve the excess water, and then we go ahead and add the next ingredient, and as we mash our food. So don't go away. Here we go. I add my soft maize, and then add carrots, grated carrots, and then we'll start mashing. And I'm gonna be using a low medium heat because we want the carrot to be cooked by the heat, so we'll use low medium heat. Remember, our food doesn't have any water in it, so that's why we're using a low heat to mash it. And we don't want you want the food to have the heat because we want our carrots cooked. So here you go, guys. I've fried my onions, so we're going to pour our onions in between the mashed bananas. As you can see, I have my red onion. Make sure I put everything in, and then I'm gonna be adding leaf onion and parsley. Leaf onion and parsley, as you can see. Then we continue mashing. If you've watched until that step, thank you so much. I appreciate. So let's mash our food. Our heat is still on. Make sure you leave the heat on because we don't want the food to get cold. And make sure your stew is ready. As you can see, my beef stew is cooking on the other side. Make sure you have your stew ready because you want to serve this food hot. It's good when it's hot. And make sure the texture is it's not The texture is not, it's not hard, it's not very soft, it's in between. As you can see, it looks moist and delicious. So it's ready to be served. As you can see, guys, make sure it's well mashed. Look at it, guys. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So make sure you try this recipe. You share, make sure you share. That's how it looks like. It's appealing. So guys, make sure you try this recipe and my other recipes. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Let me know what you think about this video. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye.